The online ordering platform includes a budget page to help you manage your spending. To access it, click on Budget, then View Budget. There are two ways to set up your budget. First, on the left-hand side, you'll see options for choosing the year type, whether it be financial or calendar. We'll select financial in this case. Once you've selected the year, you can enter your annual budget. For example, we've put in $100,000. Whatever your yearly budget is, pop that in and click Save. Next, scroll down to the bottom of the page and assign monthly budget equally. This will divide your annual budget evenly across all 12 months. If your budget varies, you can customize each month individually. Simply enter the desired amount for each month. For example, in May, we're going to put $1,000. For June, we're going to put $2,000. And then we're going to click Update Monthly Budget. This will save all changes. If your order exceeds your set budget, the system will alert you immediately. To prevent stock staff from placing orders that go over budget, simply enable the option Restrict stock nurses to make over budget orders. Once this is activated, stock nurses will be unable to complete any orders that exceed the budget limits, helping you maintain control of spending.